One day someone asked, "Man, what do we do with all this leftover chicken from yesterday?" Today I'm gonna show you what to do with it, and the best part, it only takes 20 minutes to do. Let's cook it. I'll start with my leftover chicken. This is chicken I used to do stock, and I didn't need it at the time. You can also use leftover roasted chicken that will work perfectly for this. So let's remove the meat from the bones and set it aside. I like to keep chunky pieces to give extra texture to the dish. With this out of the way, we do all of our prep work. Slice and small dice the onion. I'll slice the chorizo and cut it in thin stripes. We break our eggs into a bowl and beat them until well mixed. Peel and cut the potatoes into mashed stick potatoes. I wash to remove excess starch and dry with a towel. I'll put some oil in a pot and I'll preheat that oil to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit and fry until nice and crispy. Don't be afraid to take them further. The longer you fry, the crispier we'll get. When done, remove excess oil and salt them generously. Now get your pot, throw in the butter and the onions. Pinch of salt and let it cook until soft. I'll add the chorizo in and cook for a minute. This mix of chorizo with onions is good for a lot of things. Now I add some garlic paste, garlic powder and onion powder, smoked paprika and dark soy sauce. Involve everything and let it cook for a minute. Add the chicken pieces and the chicken stock. This will bring some moisture back into the chicken, giving it a little life. Lower the heat and cook until stock is almost gone. I'll season the eggs with salt and pepper and add them to the pot. Mix everything well until the eggs are cooked. I like my eggs more on the wet side, but you cook them to your liking. Now turn the heat off. There is two routes to serve this. I know, you are asking about the potatoes. Let me tell you, there's the family version. I'll add some crispy onions in the pan, add the potatoes, mix everything gently and serve. Nice, simple and rustic. But there's also the fancy version. In this case, I am using some foil. I folded it and shaped it into the form I wanted. I'll place the chicken mix in the mold, top up with some potatoes, and to finish, I'll sprinkle some crispy onions. Will they taste any different? No. Just do what the occasion requires. Now, only one thing left to do. Let's taste. Delicious. If I didn't know the chicken was from yesterday, I would never have guessed. The stock really made the chicken moist, crunchy, creamy, so many different textures. You can feel every individual ingredient, and all together, they're just fantastic. This chicken is gold. It's even yellow. 25 minutes it took from start to finish. And if you are low on time, you can use packet potato sticks to save you time.
It's better if you fry the potatoes. Just saying.
Simple, quick, flavorful, and taking advantage of leftover food. It ticks all the boxes. But if you have any extra fresh chicken at home, try these risoles. They are perfect for any dining table, trip, or party. And as a bonus, you'll learn how I make my most common chicken stock. And as always, if you like what you watched, subscribe to the channel, drop us a like, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!